If you've lost access to your YouTube account and cannot receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the YouTube sign-in page. Go to the YouTube website and click on the sign-in button. Enter your email address associated with the account you want to recover. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. After entering your email, click on the Forgot Password link. This will take you to the account recovery process. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. You will be presented with various recovery options. Since you can't receive verification codes, look for an option to answer security questions or use an alternative email address if you set one up previously. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer the security questions you set up when creating your account. Provide accurate answers to help verify your identity. Step 5. Follow additional instructions. After answering the questions, follow any additional instructions provided by Google. This may include verifying your identity through other means or providing information about your account usage. Once you complete these steps, you should receive further instructions on how to regain access to your YouTube account. If you still have trouble, consider reaching out to Google support for additional assistance.